I'm back, fam. Sorry if you're tired of seeing my face, but I'm not sorry. You wanna know why? Because I'm supposed to do this. Every time they give me one, I'm supposed to get up here. Okay? So, ladies or gents, there's a bird bitch in the midst, or some bird bitches. We got some messy hoes in the mess. Okay? It says some bird bitches and her broke ass friends speaking on your name, and these hoes really ain't got shit after you cut them off. Okay? Bum bitches. That's why you don't deal with them anyway. They fake asses. With they fake asses, okay? They ain't even equal to you in hygiene, etc. They spread rumors only to their own friends because they scary bitches. They say you a bad mom, you a hoe, your house dirty, but these bird bitches ain't got one of their own. You think you better than them? Just making up shit. Just making up shit to fuck with you. Sex is how you pay your rent, like you know how you eat and shit, but that's just projection because that's really who they are. So the rumors that they're telling is really on themselves. Okay. One of these bitches is pregnant or finna be pregnant, and she messy as hell, but her scariness is just as equal as her messiness. Cause they bird bitches. A bird bitch ain't gonna never come tell you straight to your face what's popping. 212 on the clock. She know I got cameras. Best on earth. Yeah. That's why they out here stalking you and watching you on your social media or, driving past your house and shit like that. That's what they're doing. It's what they doing. And personally, I don't give a fuck. And you shouldn't either, boo. You shouldn't either. Holy Spirit, Holy Angels, what do we have from the answer box today? Let's see what we got. We got the little cards. Eight, abundance. You got two eights. Okay. Damn. Someone will snitch on them. What's the message, Holy Spirit? Please and thank you. I'm only taking a few of the ones in the answer box because I haven't done these in a minute, but they do talk. Oh, they talk. Okay, let's get these numbers out first. These angel numbers, and then I'll interpret these angel numbers for you guys. Okay. Oh, we got some. I love it. Shine. Yep. Shine bright like a diamond. Okay, we got two aces in the bunch. Okay. They said two aces for two assholes. So it's two girls or two niggas. Take it as it resonate. Because this could be a guy going through this rumor. Men are messy and act Mitches. They act like Mitches. Okay. We got two threes over here. That's angels. Okay. So that means God got his hand in here somewhere because they go to king. They go to king. Okay. And the J for justice for these jokers. Period. Okay. These jackasses is what the fuck I did just here. And we got six. Two sixes. Focus. Okay. Somebody needs to look up the number 452. It's an angel number 452. Okay, that's what I was told to say. Angel number 452. Okay, this is the love card. Oh no, these are my God cards. Spirit wants you to know, no matter what, with love, I have loved you. With indefinite, I have loved you. Okay, Spirit wants you to know forever, forever. No matter who thinks that you're a bitch. Okay, they going shopping while they gossip. Look, don't want you to be with this Sagittarius man. Okay, I can hear you even when you're not around, and that's why they don't want you with this person. Okay, period. Okay, because you're my favorite love. It's what they want, and they can't have what, like I said, like these some bird bitches that ain't even got a pot to piss in or a fucking window to throw it out, but they got nerves to be stalking a motherfucker. Like what the fuck, throat chakra? Like somebody needs to speak up, but they won't because again, I said they're cowards, scary bitches. Heart chakra. They need to work on that. Somebody needs to heal because they're haters. Okay, just keep going with prayer. Feel me? Ignore these hoes. Curse reverse because I'm speaking on this shit right now. It ain't nothing they can speak on you. God is gonna silence your shame. Tell the truth, and I am. God is gonna silence your shame. Whatever they trying to put out there on you, God gonna tell them, I made it plain. Okay? I will give you wisdom generously. He's going to allow you and show you how to walk out of this fire without even looking or smelling like you've been in. You won't even smell like smoke, is what I heard. Wishing you were here. Right. Because they can't do this shit on their own. They nothing ass bitches. And they made the own motherfucking choice. Period. Whoever Elizabeth is, either you the one that's doing the shit or you the one got the shit done to you. Either way it go, baby, you touched them different. Either you pissed them off or made them happy. God put us together. This is for a loved one. Okay? They want you to know that. Period. Okay? That's what we doing from this answer box today. That's it. Mm-hmm. All right, Holy Spirit, can you give me some energy? Ding! If you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Divine Disabilities, okay? Where everything is true here because I'm scared of what God may do if I don't tell the truth, okay? You played right. Not me. No, no, no. But that's what the spirit wants you to tell them bitches, them bird bitches. You played. hmm On my last video, I said I may have to go make me some tea because this might be some tea. And yes, bird bitches to me is always some tea. Bitch, you crazy. You trying to show out in public. Yeah, these hoes, limitless. They just won't stop. Holy Spirit, holy angels. Oh, wait, let's put our lighters up. We gotta light us some protection in this bitch, y'all. Because obviously, the karmics, they call them karmics. In tarot land, they call them karmics. Problem bitches. Problem niggas. I call them fucktards. And they stay in fucktardia. Okay? Obviously, that's what the fuck we got going over here. So let's bless ourselves. Holy Spirit, holy angels, I come to you in the spirit of knowing. In the spirit of gratitude, I ask that you give me clear and clairvoyant messages to channel the energy of these bird bitches. Please and thank you. Archangel Michael, I love you so much and I'm grateful for your protection. I ask that you come in and do it again. Thank you so very much. Ancestors, anything else that you'd like to say regarding this issue? What we got? I'm gonna move my chair back a little bit more so you guys get the full view. That's why I came back in the office so we can get the full view of me struggling to shuffle these cards like normal folk. Flow. We got flow. And we got signs. Okay? And what I'm getting from this is it's not going to be a happy outcome for these bird bitches. I don't know if that's the dog or Harmony. Behind my chair, I feel something. Listen to the spirit. It's what I heard. It's what I did just hear. So the overall energy is signs and flow. Okay, we're gonna read. It says, instincts are the message from the inner divine. So if you feel this bitch is the one that's the yeah, it is what the fuck it is. What you feel is what you think, and what you think is what you feel, and what it all when it all connects into one, it's the truth. It's the fucking truth. Flow. Allow me, divine, to move with flow and respond with calmness and peace. Exactly. Because these bird bitches is finna try you. They finna try you. So Spirit is telling you now, get ready. Because if you get ready, if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So they're telling you now, somebody's finna try your whole patience. They finna try it. They finna try you. They finna try you. But there's a divine flow. Some shit called No Excuses. I don't know. Some shit called No Excuses by Megan Trainer. Oh, Trainer. They said teach these bitches how to treat you. Mm. And they said she's tried it. These bird bitches have tried it with other hoes, other women, however the fuck you take it. I'm ghetto. I'm a hood bitch. I got one arm, but I just look this way. Anybody that knows me will tell you, boo. This is me. And these hoes done tried it with the last bitch. They were successful with that one, but what they don't know is your spiritual rank, and they damn sure don't know mine. It's been called the ancestor 2, 3, or 4. Baby. Because I don't fuck with people. And obviously you don't neither. I'm just saying. We as divine women, 1255, 1350. Oh, that was 1315, sorry. I'm just saying. It's them ones for me. We believe in keep going. Don't hold grudges. We don't hate people. But these bitches is mad because we live the way we live. Like, how are you fucking mad? Bitch, and you can't even get in the club. How you mad? I just want to know. And don't give me no excuses when I find out the fuck shit you did. Don't give me no excuses. I would really like not to hear them. Boom. Because you didn't follow the signs of the flow. I don't fuck with you. You shouldn't have fucked with me. I'm just saying. That's the organic way to do things. Mind your business, bitch. Whoever this is for. I don't know. I don't give a shit. But I know it's some bird bitches in the mess. And if you flocking over this way, I'm telling you, I got cages for y'all asses. With the car passing by. No limit. I said cages. That's S with the plural. Because I'm carrying this motherfucking cross for generations, boo. I'm telling you, I got cages for you motherfucking devils. You think you gonna flock over this way? I got cages for you. 1455 on that motherfucker. It'll be some changes in your life. Bring it. fuck with me and get some money. That's all I'm saying. Because if you feel that way about me, you should be fucking with me. I'm just saying, you should be fucking with me. Especially if I'm always in your cavity. You should be fucking with me. Like, and she act like this. She a baller. That's that. They think you better than them. No, I'm just better than the situation you guys put yourselves in. Period. I stay home, boo. I don't club. If I do, it's in my living room, right behind me. Through that little dark space right here, that's my living room, boo. My speaker behind the mirror over here. No, behind that wall over there is my speaker system. I will sit and dance for hours by my motherfucking self. Because when these bird bitches get to chirping too much, you can't hear yourself think. If you can't hear yourself think, you can't hear the spirit. And I keep telling folks, I don't live on this matrix. I don't live on the third dimension. I stay in the fifth, honey. I'm always talking to an angel. I'm always talking to God. And that's why you bitches is mad. Because I don't talk to you. You're not worth it. Find out you hoes is liars. I help you hoes, you're lie, steal, trick, and connive. But y'all want somebody to continue to show you hoes love. I want to sit around and talk about the next bitches come up. I like Lizzo and Cardi's song, Rumors. Yeah, I did it. If that's where the fuck you put me at, I did it in your world. In your world. Your world, I did it. I know you hear the motor. In your world, I did it. In mine's, no. Boo. And that's reality. Yeah, in my world, it's reality. I don't live fictitious. I don't lie on my motherfucking life. You ask me something, I'ma tell you. So really, the rumors you're telling, they're not even rumors. They're more like my fucking secrets. If secrets, because I don't hold them. I tell on myself. Any man that has dated me, they'll tell you that bitch is a little too honest. Any friend that has been with me, they'll tell you Nyoko is too fucking honest. My kids will tell you that one's too honest. Why lie to you when you're not the one that's gonna have my eternal judgment? Why lie to you? Somebody message, and somebody needs to hear it because I need to understand, and maybe you need to understand why this motherfucker think you need to lie to them. Why lie? You can't whip my ass. I don't give a fuck what you think. You can't whoop my ass. Not even in the spirit. That's why you bird bitches is gonna start running your mouth in the physical, cause I'm unmatched in the spirit. Stupid. Straight off the rip. Believe what you see, nigga. Ain't no bird bitch fucking with me. Like, get the fuck out of here. This somebody's fucking story. I wouldn't be up here like this. I'm telling you, I don't give a fuck if you come today or next motherfucking year. This is somebody's story. And there's some bird bitches in the mess. And I'm trying to tell you, I nut in her mouth because she garbage. That's how the ancestors feel. Like, bitch, you're a waste. Because y'all petty living, wasting life, being messy, when you could be making something of your own self while you trying to make a life for somebody else's out of your own mouth, though. You're supposed to speak where people really live. I'm not taking advice from a nigga. So somebody done told you I think you should shut the fuck up. And you didn't. So here we are calling your sorry ass out. You bum bitch. Or bum bitches. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. It said throat chakra. which means voice it, speak it out your mouth. Since you bitches won't, I'll put it in the atmosphere. Try me. I just want you to try me. Because I've been more than humble. Year 22, boom, all this rap will be straight for you. I'm just telling you. I'm not doing last year's fuck shit. But them bitches I tried to help that's been talking about me behind my back the whole entire time and think that this third eye, this mind's eye, bitch, you think God is fake and you think he gave me a false gift? You stupid. How Kevin Hart say, you bitch, you think I'm up here for laughs? This ain't no joke. Don't get it confused. I just set the record. Get up 10, bitch. But these hoes can't even afford $5 in their gas tank. They got motherfuckers that won't even let them borrow. Why? Because y'all sit up and talk about every fucking body and think that God ain't sitting up watching this shit. You punk bum bitches. Just saying. I don't give a fuck. I'ma stud on you bitches out of motherfucking spite. Do you hear me? I just said I don't have to, you don't hang with them because they don't equal to you. What Cardi just say? And this is Get It Up 10 by Cardi. What she the fuck just say? I don't hang with you bitches because you bitches is corny. My nigga, like I said, a bitch ain't up here for laughs. So while you watching, don't believe me. Keep watching. But try that bird bitch shit in my face. I don't give a fuck who you are. Come talk to me. I'm always gonna be a woman about my shit. That's why you doing it in secret now. Cause you know I'm always be a woman about my shit. I don't give a fuck what it look like. I don't want shit you got, bitch, cause I'm too tough. That's why you won't come face to face and speak, you serpent. I'm just saying, it is what it is. It is what it is. So let's pull. You might be up here 50 minutes. Cause the bitch done talked about a good 15. All right, oh, okay. Oh, that's what they did say then. They said get these unstable unicorn cards so we can find out what's up with these bitches. Okay. Okay. Let's expose some get up tens around this bitch. Cause they can't even get up three. Holy Spirit, what's the message? Who is these bird bitches? Alright. A spoiled ass motherfucking a baby unicorn that can't take no for an answer. The fact that you don't want to fuck with them or I don't want to fuck with them because it seemed like my story, my whole life is coming out on YouTube because God is going to take me somewhere. He needs me pure hearted. So here I am. I don't give a fuck. It'll be part two. I'll keep it going. You bum bitches is spoiled. Misery loves fucking company. Yeah, what's the message? Autoric asphyxiation. Right. You bitches be all fascinated and choked up on the next bitch's life. Bum bitches. Pony play. Yeah, you bitches is fake as fuck. Costume wearing assholes. I'm over it with my baby coughing in the background. Nigga, you make me sick, is what the fuck I'm hearing. Somebody's angry. Somebody's ancestor is fucking pissed. Yeah, and it's probably mine. Because there's some bird bitches in the midst. I don't fuck with y'all. What's the message? Horse with the dildo. I don't fuck with y'all. If I do, it will be fake. It would be a dildo. I don't fuck with y'all. What's the message? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Spirit. Somebody that again was told no. You don't fuck with them. Somebody you used to smoke with and hang out. A former friend. I don't give a fuck. A bird bitch is what they said. And again, hell no, you don't fuck with this person. And obviously, neither the fuck do I, because somebody's pissed off. 25:15 on the clock. Might be me. Holy Spirit, who is this person? And what's the message? Please and thank you. Ancestors, can we talk? Can we talk? Mm-hmm. A thief. Somebody just fake friendship. Bad health in reverse. These motherfuckers is, they used to doing it. It keeps them alive. 45 seconds from wildin'. I'm telling you, ain't gonna be no love in this shit, nigga. I'm telling you, the work these motherfuckers is gonna try to put in is non gonna work. And a motherfucker has already got the message, so we understand the assignment that there's gonna be some bird bitches, some messy ass hoes that's gonna come and try to do some bullshit. Like unexpected wealth and shit. Like, bitch get beat up. Yeah. I'm just saying, I don't know what's going on, but this is a heads up for somebody. Get up 10. I heard it again. Mature man. It might be over some men, but I don't fuck with men right now. I'm celibate. I'm single. So I don't know. What's the message? Holy Spirit. I keep seeing false person. What's the message, Holy Spirit? They immature. I saw the child card. Occupation. These motherfuckers is cooking up something. With the sewing machine right there. They, like I said, they just making up shit. You feel me? For the community. Gossip. Rumors. Mm-hmm. Let's see. What's going on, Holy Spirit? Yeah. Mm-hmm. What's the message, ancestors? Yep. What's the freaking message? Heart chakra. No love. Disruption in reverse, because you don't fuck with them. This sacred union, you don't even call this bitch or these bitches or these niggas, however it goes. I'm just saying, you don't fuck with them. You got smart on their bitch asses. And you said, no, 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 no. You spoke up. Throat chakra, you spoke up. And guess what? You stood your ground. You started defending yourself. You said, fuck that. You bitches won't have me bounded and being a bum bitch, broke as fuck. That's the message, Holy Spirit. I saw the truth want to come out. There you go. The other one. And that's the truth. The motherfucking truth. I'm just saying. These hoes is stupid. Uh, Sacral chakra. Fertility. These motherfuckers is just coming from their soul with bullshit. What's the message, Holy Spirit? Just really making up stuff. Probably talking about you got bed bugs and shit. Like, the fuck? That's what I heard. Good luck with that one. Especially in this house. What was that? Especially in this house. Look, new beginnings, boo. Everything over here, new. Energy, all that. No, 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 no. And if it ain't new, you can't tell it's old, boo. Because we don't do that in this house. Cleanliness is next to godliness. And you guys have filthy souls, so that's why you're going through this emotional loss. And you bird bitches want to come and harass others. Like, get the fuck out of here with that bullshit. Who is this for? Who are these people? Who are these people? Somebody that won't wish fulfillment. So they come and love bomb you. Yeah, and when you don't fall for that shit, it gives them emotional loss, and then they want to get mad. They get mad and want to go alliance and make an alliance, shake hands with the devil, with this temptation and gossip and talk about how beat up and down and fucked up you are. And with this choices card, oh, how they tried to help you, or how you trying to help me, you bum bitch, when you can't even do for your motherfucking self, which is, you can't even heal. Shadow work, you don't even do that. So how the fuck are you trying to help me? I just want to know how the fuck you trying to help me. When I walk, I use my crown chakra. I walk with my intuition, and I wait for God to show the fuck up, because I know He love me. Boo, I don't know what the fuck going on over there in Karmic Town, but boo boo, accelerated motion. I don't fuck with you. I don't fuck with you. Material harvest, and that's why, because you work with the devil. The devil is all about material things. I don't fuck with you. Obstacles and challenges, bitch. You a problem in my life. The fuck out of here. Or they're a problem in somebody's life. Suffering in silence. You crying? What did you do to me? They said you lied. I don't know. I just want to know. I just want to know. Like, for real, my cards don't lie. Third eye, chakra, third eye. And I love the fact, passion ignited, that it don't lie, my nigga. That's my spiritual strength. It protects me. And that's why I always stay to my motherfucking self. Solitude. Because it's my destiny. Why? Because I know things. I know things that God tells me. I got kingdom wisdom, so I have to stay by myself, bitch. And that's the truth. That's why I can't have friends and shit. Because, you know, you guys be having heartache and loss. Why? Because I have material and spiritual harvest, and I don't do shit but thank God. I don't ask for shit. I say thank you. And you hate me because I'm a thankful bitch. How you hating me because I'm grateful? It wasn't a problem when I was grateful in your life. Because my gratefulness include giving. So as long as I was being grateful for your friendship or your companionship or your employment or whatever the fuck the case may fucking be, I'm speaking for someone, and this is your story as well as mine. Because we all go through this shit dealing with bird bitches. So I'm just saying, let me blow your mind. Oh, once it's spoken, the curse is broken. Ah, because I give it to God. I don't wish harm. I don't hate the people. I give it to God. And He allows me to be what? The teacher I am. It says, I teach what is your superpower. He gives me heavenly knowledge so I could tell you dumbass bird bitches to sit down and be humble. She just said some of y'all are ungrateful. I'm just saying. And I got my foot in the door and I'm not going anywhere. 34, 34, 33, 34 on the clock. It's the threes for me, boo. Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. You may use the power of three, Satan, Lucifer, and Baal. For me, it's the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit, boo. So we're not compatible anywhere. Anywhere in life. Anywhere. Anywhere. I don't dine with devils. And I'm scared of snakes. They come out of nowhere and bite you. I don't fuck with snakes. So if I've dismissed you out my life or you have dismissed somebody out of your life, rejection is protection. Sometimes God will allow you to find out why before, and sometimes God will allow you to find out why after. Personally, me, He always gives me the before and after because I love people. I don't want to be wrong. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to do people wrong and I'm feeling convicted, but I know I was led to dismiss this person out my life. You understand? So when it's led and things are done like this, don't question it. You will find out the before and the after. Trust me, it's how God works. But somebody needs to know there's some bird bitches in the midst. Accelerating motion. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Leave them bitches right where they're at. In the solar. Outer space airhead ass bitches. They just go flying. Right. Solar. Leave them bitches up there in the clouds where their brains is. Because they bird bitches. Patiently waiting for somebody else shit to grow in their hand. How you waiting for somebody else shit to grow in your hand? It don't work like that, stupid. That's why you looking like this. Discontent and boredom. Because God ain't gonna never let you shine filthy light on none of his. I'm a star. You see it in the background. Bitches. I'm a star. You see it? I'm a star. Boom. Check out the reflection. It's always gonna be a light. Get like me. Get with me. Why be against me? I walk with the best thing in life, the life giver. Why be against me? You want to, instead of trying to steal what I have, I can teach you. It's my superpower. I can teach you. But you can always lead a horse to the water, but you can't make them drink it. You can heal a bird's wing, but you cannot make them fly. I'm just saying. It is what it is. I don't know. That's the message, guys. Yeah, I don't know where they got me going with this, but with the car going past. It is what it is. Calling my phone. Yeah. Some bitches probably been playing on the phone and shit like, my nigga, I'm 39. Don't do that. Don't do that. Us grown bitches ain't got time to be playing with you fucking featherheads. Paint yourself to be pretty and just like they said, your hygiene ranks higher than theirs. They don't even have their hygiene doesn't even compete. So how are you trying to compare? I can't get you off my mind. That's all they do is think about how they can gossip and talk. Like, man, dude, look, messy, immature ass bitches playing on phones and shit. Like, get over it, girl. Play at the clinics. Play on that phone. What? Play on that phone, honey. Because somebody expecting some results any motherfucking way from this. They hoping this bad health ain't gonna do it. They hoping it come out like that. Yeah, no. Somebody is really expecting for them not to have bad health because they the hoe. Why they walking around talking about you're the hoe? They're the hoe. So they putting together, lady with the sewing machine. So they putting together some lies, thief card, some lies. You want to know why I say that, even though it says thief? Because if you a lie, you a steal. It's what I was taught. It's what mommy taught me. If you lie, you a steal. And I'm pretty sure if you done lied to me, you done stole from me. So, bitch, I don't fuck with you. Whoever you is. It's the reason I'm alone. And I don't fuck with you. Stay your dirtbag ass wherever the fuck you at. Because I'm happy over here. Over there in your bum ass community. Look at this shit. Fucking bum ass bitches and they bum ass community. The fuck out of here. Need to take care of your kids is what the fuck I hear. Buy your baby a new jacket. I don't know who that's the fuck for. but you watching me. Buy your baby something instead of wigs and nails. Because let me tell you, I done had these on 2 months, boo. I done had to cut them down, honey. Because if I ain't got it, I ain't got it. And I ain't going to fuck or suck with the lover's card. I'm not going to fuck or suck nothing to get nothing. 15, the devil number, temptation. I don't do none of that shit with 33 on the motherfucking thing. I don't fuck around. Liars. And if you're a part of my fucking family, if you used to, you don't know more. And that's why I fucks with you. And that's why you're on my channel. Period. It's me and you. Huh? We all know this song. It's me and you, boo. That's why I fucks with you. Because you're my soul king. God ain't sending nobody that ain't like me on my channel. That's what I asked for. That's what I asked for. Okay? Period. Wish fulfillment. And I get what I asked for. Why? Because I know how to keep shit correct. I go to God for everything. I don't even need to go to the store without consulting the Father first. And I'm telling you I don't. I'm telling you I don't. Just being A1 mother without consulting the motherfucking universe. The Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. I'm telling you, I don't go nowhere without praying, meditating, and asking God first. I don't give a fuck if I got weed and ain't got no damn blunt. I'm not going. I've been waiting. Baby, look, I'll be right back. I'm telling y'all. I got some messages that I've just been holding on to since like Thanksgiving because I've been meditating on them. And some of them, they do give me headaches. But, you know, hey, Spirit said get back in your office. So I'm back in my office. And when I'm in my office, it's work, 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 work. With 4222 on the clock. Work, 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 because I am in unity with Christ. And this is my purpose and my duty to call out you bird bitches. You understand? So, fam, bam, bam, bam. I love you, honey. You keep standing your ground and know that these bird bitches can't do shit because you spiritually protected. Stay humble and just watch these hoes sit down. Here say let the trash take itself out. That's what I do. I allow them to do the bullshit and I let the trash take itself out. I love you guys so, 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 so much. Okay? Be great because you are. And most of all, be divine because that's how God will continually make us to be divine.